16 is so stupid. And if you've been watching these videos, you've seen me say this before. It is stupid in exactly the same way as this argument is stupid. In order to play in the NBA, you must be a man. That's true. Does that mean that if you are not in the NBA, you are not a man? I beg your pardon, sir. Of course that's not true. That's so stupid. And what has happened in the NBA argument is that we've taken a necessary condition for playing in the NBA. You have to be a man in order to play in the NBA. And we've acted as though it were sufficient. We've acted as though we said, if you're a man, then you do play in the NBA. And if we had said this, then that conclusion is warranted. You know, if being a man is sufficient, then if you don't play in the NBA, you must not be a man. That's the problem with this argument. It's the same problem with the locomotion argument. In order to do locomotion, you must have a central nervous system. The central nervous system is necessary. Does that mean that if you don't do locomotion, you don't have a central nervous system? No, in exactly the same way as this. That conclusion acts as though the central nervous system were sufficient for locomotion. If you have the nervous system, then you will have locomotion. So if you don't have locomotion, you must not have a central nervous system. In the conclusion, it's sufficient. In the evidence, it's necessary. We have confused a necessary condition for locomotion with a sufficient one.